It's considered one of the biggest environmental threats of our time. The collapse of honeybee populations. Bees are needed to pollinate much of the food we eat. Yet increasingly, it's believed a type of pesticide used on many crops may actually be killing the insects we depend on. Global's Jackson Prosco has this 16:9 investigation.
Here we have a hive that is unhealthy. We don't have enough bees to cover the full amount of comb. It's got a death sentence on it for the winter.
His hives decimated. Jim Honeybee has no choice but to pack up and move his livelihood.
When we move bees north into areas where there's less corn, less soybeans, within about a week I see less dying bees.
It's a journey away from a suspected bee killer, a class of pesticides called neonicotinoids used on almost every crop.
There's a toxic environment out there that's killing our bees. It's a severe problem.
A problem faced by beekeepers across Canada. They've lost up to 35% of their bees. But as far as pesticide manufacturers are concerned, the problem has little to do with them.
Neonicotinoids have gone through a very stringent regulatory review, and the product, if used according to the labels, are safe to be used.
The Europeans aren't so sure. The EU recently imposed a 2-year moratorium on neonicotinoids. In Canada and the U.S., the products are still on the market, while regulators wait for pesticide manufacturers to deliver science proving the chemicals are safe for bees.
It almost seems like the pesticide is considered innocent until someone proves otherwise.
The burden of proof seems to be on proving, does this insecticide actually cause harm to insects other than pests? Yeah.
By the time that proof is delivered and regulators make a final ruling, the pesticide in question will have been in widespread use for more than a decade. The bees may not be able to wait that long.
We don't have much time before the entire beekeeping system collapses. We won't survive that.
Jackson Prosco, Global News, Toronto.